Britain's centuries-old justice system isn't known for its cutting-edge technology. In fact, a lack of tech is contributing to a record backlog in the Crown Court, one the government now believes artificial intelligence can help to crack.
You've received the suspended sentence order. Obviously, you're coming to probation.
At this probation office in Chatham in Kent, AI is being used to accurately transcribe interviews with offenders in real time.
Have you ever driven before when you've been over the limit?
This one's a mock-up, but the system is up and running, and the government says saving thousands of hours in post-meeting paperwork. The plan is to roll it out to judges first in immigration and asylum courts, while new AI assistants will help prioritise trial-ready cases to cut the backlog. Big ambitions revealed today during London Tech Week by the Justice Secretary and Deputy Prime Minister David Lammy. Isn't the reality, though, what we're hearing here at Tech Week is that the UK has fallen behind in AI and is very much playing catch-up with the US and China? What do you say to that?
Oh, no, not falling behind. I'm hugely excited that our judges, our prosecutors, our lawyers are adopting AI, using it to speed up how they work, using it to get through cases quicker, deal with a court backlog that we've got, which is a real live problem. It's going to change jobs and opportunities. We're seeing that in law, and there will be losses, but we want to be ahead of the curve, so we're making that up with new opportunities, new jobs as well.
Isn't AI here a cheap alternative to additional funding and additional staff that you won't or cannot bring forth?
Overwhelmingly in this sector, what we're seeing is AI augment the decision-making of the professionals, not replace the decision-making of the I think it's very unlikely that we will have AI replacing your defence lawyer, your family lawyer, and certainly your judge.
As you roll out AI, are you not worried about hallucinations if it is used to gather evidence or in sentencing or bail decisions, for example?
It can go wrong, of course it can. It's why piloting is really important, with the right guardrails, with the right safeguards. So you have to start slow and in a considered way, pilot carefully, and put in the learning.
You're the closest link at the moment that we have to the United States. We're on the brink, we're led to believe, of the Prime Minister announcing this social media ban, potentially next week for users under 16. The Americans, though, believe, and I quote, it would impose disproportionate compliance burdens on American companies. Are you not worried that by doing this you will further jeopardise the relationship with America?
Our first duty must be to safeguard our children. 9 out of 10 parents are raising this as an issue. And it's clear to me that government must act, and what we see online are real dangers for our young people.
You'd lean into a ban, would you? You think a ban is a good idea?
I'm a parent as well, and so I recognise that parents want further support. We will have to act.
And then there's Palantir, the US tech firm whose software was controversially used to pinpoint targets in Gaza and Iran, and which has major contracts inside the British government. Unison has said to rescind the contract with the NHS. Sadiq Khan doesn't want it used in the Met. What is the government's view on Palantir?
Palantir isn't currently working in the family of organisations that make up the Ministry of Justice. I understand that the new Health Secretary is reviewing their use in the NHS, and I think that is right.
With a view to potentially rescind the contract?
I'll let him speak for his review, but he's putting in place that review.
Are you worried about a big US tech firm holding British data, British people's data?
UK sovereignty, hugely important. That has been a discussion, and that is part of our action plan, and we will implement and take that forward.
Deputy Prime Minister, thank you very much for talking to us.